Dear students, today we'll take the next 20 questions on applications of electronic engineers, that is AEE subject, on the topic automotive electronics or electronics in automobiles. Okay. So let's start with the second part, DCT AE part 2. So the first question, question number 21. Dash system generates a spark to ignite a fuel air mixture in internal combustion, that is IC, petrol engines. Now the system which generates a spark, the spark plug will give a spark. Okay, that system is called as ignition system. Okay, so from these options, option A is braking, option B is ignition, option C is navigation, option D is car safety. So in this, option B will be the right answer. Ignition system generates a spark to ignite a fuel air mixture in internal combustion petrol engines. So ignition is the right answer. Next we'll go to question number 22. An automotive ignition in which electrical pulses are generated electronically are called. Okay, so it is a electronic ignition system. So electronic ignition system is one in which electrical pulses at the spark plug, they are going to give a spark, are generated electronically. So the electrical pulses which are given to the spark plug to generate a spark are generated electronically, and this system is called as electronic ignition system. And automotive ignition is electronic ignition system. So here the option A will be the right answer, electronic ignition system. Then we'll go to question number 23. Which of the following is or are the advantages of electronic ignition system? Option A is moving parts are absent, so no maintenance is required. Option B is spark plug life increases by 50% and they can be used for about 60,000 kilometers without any problem. Option C is more fuel efficiency. And option D is all of the above. So which are the following advantages of electronic ignition system? So if you read these advantages, no maintenance and your increased efficiency, more fuel efficiency, all these becomes advantages. So option D will be the right answer. So all of the above are the advantages of electronic ignition system. Then we'll go to the next question, question number 24. Which is a safety related feature that assists the driver in deacceleration of the vehicle in poor or marginal braking condition, like in on icy road or snowfall road or a road which is wet. Okay, so that case we require a anti-lock braking system. So the wheel should not get locked immediately and the vehicle should not skid. So for that purpose, we have anti-lock braking system, ABS. So here, out of these four options, option A will be the right answer, ABS, anti-lock braking system. Okay, so anti-lock braking system is one which assists the driver in deacceleration, that is reducing the speed of the vehicle in poor or marginal braking conditions where you cannot put a urgent brake. So in that case, you require anti-lock braking system. Then we'll go to the next question, question number 25. It prevents the driver and the front seat passenger from crashing against a steering wheel whenever there is an accident. Okay, so this is something called as airbag system. Airbag system is one which will blow inflation, it will blow, and a balloon, the blown balloon will come in between the driver or the front passenger and the dashboard or the steering wheel. Okay, so in this case airbag system is one which prevents the driver and the front seat passenger from crashing against the steering wheel. So option A will be the right answer, airbag system. Then we'll go to the next question, question number 26. Which system alerts a driver to vehicle moving into rear blind zones? Okay, so which system is alerting? Okay, so this system is called as vehicle proximity detection system. The main application of vehicle proximity detection system is to alert a driver to the vehicles moving in the blind zones, rare blind zones behind it. Okay, so there will be a ultrasonic transducer, that is a microphone, by which the signals behind are picked up and then are given through an antenna to the dashboard of the driver, where the driver will hear the alarm and he will come to know that there is a vehicle in the rear blind zone which he is unable to see through the mirrors. Okay, so that is what is called as vehicle proximity detection system. So here the option A will be the right answer. Vehicle proximity detection system alerts a driver to vehicle moving into rear blind zones. Which are the vehicles moving in the rear blind zones which he cannot see through his mirror? So that vehicles can be heard by an alarm on the dashboard, and with that the driver will understand that the vehicles are there in the blind zone, and he has to either give a side to them or he can go ahead with an more speed. Okay. Then we'll go to the question number 27. Which is the unit can track the location of vehicle and can lock the engine motor? Okay, so the unit which can track the location of vehicle and lock becomes a theft detection system. So option B, that is theft detection and remote locking system, is the right answer for this, which is the unit which can track the location of vehicle, that is theft detection, and can also lock the engine motor remotely. So remote locking system. So option B will be the right answer here, theft detection and remote locking system. Then we'll go to the next question, question number 28. Which is an electric vehicle powered completely by direct solar energy? So solar energy is converted into electrical energy, and that electrical energy is used to run electric motors, and that is how your vehicle is going to run. And these kind of automobiles are called as solar automobiles. So here option A will be the right answer, solar automobile. So solar automobile is an electric vehicle powered completely by direct solar energy, where solar energy is converted into electrical energy, and that electrical energy is used to run electric motors, which further run the automobile. Then we'll go to the next question, question number 29. Airbag used in a car is option A is storage of air, option B is storage of oxygen, option C is for protection of passenger, option D is for air brake. Obviously, airbag used in a car is for protection of a passenger in case of there is accident or there is a dashing. Okay, so between the dashboard and the front passenger, or between the steering wheel and the driver, there will be a balloon which will be blown, and because of that there will be minimum injury, so it will protect the passenger. So airbag used in a car is for protection of passenger. Option C will be the right answer here, for protection of passenger. Then we'll go to the next question. Full form of ABS which is used in vehicles. Now, earlier also we have seen ABS. It is anti-lock. So it is anti-locking braking system. So here your wheels are not going to get locked. Suddenly the brakes will not go, wheels will not be locked immediately, and the vehicle will not skid. It is against the locking, but it will also give you a braking system. Okay, so it is anti-locking braking system which will not allow the vehicle to skid by locking its wheels. Okay, so the full form of ABS is option C, anti-locking braking system. Anti-locking braking system is the answer. Then we'll go to the next question, question number 31. What kind of gas inflates an airbag? Okay, so the options here are hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, or none of the above. So here the gas which inflates an airbag, okay, is the nitrogen. So nitrogen is the gas used which inflates the airbag. So here you can see option C, nitrogen is the right answer. Then we'll go to the next question, question number 32. An airbag is what kind of bag that inflates like a big balloon between the driver and the steering wheel, or the front passenger and the dashboard? So, what it is made up of? Fabric, nylon, plastic, or none of the above? It is made up of nylon. So, option B is the right answer. An airbag is a nylon bag that inflates like a big balloon. So, option B is the right answer here. Then we'll go to the next question. Question number 33. What makes the bag, that is the airbag, inflate fully? So the process which makes the airbag to inflate fully is a chemical reaction because of which gases are inerted in the balloon. Okay. So it is option A, a chemical reaction, which is the right answer for this. What makes bag inflate fully is option A, chemical reaction. Chemical reaction makes the bag inflate fully. Then we'll go to the next question. GPS means, okay, so it is a very common word or today whenever we study mobile communication systems and all. GPS means global positioning system. Okay, so it is a receiver which is going to receive signals from satellites which are meant for a GPS system. So those satellites will give us signals, and based on those signals, four signals from the four satellites at a particular given time will give you the position of that receiver on Earth in terms of latitude and longitude. Okay, so it is global positioning system. So option B is the right answer here. Global positioning system. Then we'll go to the next question, question number 35. A solar cell converts light energy into what? So a solar cell converts light energy into electrical energy. And that electrical energy will be used to run electric motors, and due to that motors we can make a vehicle run. So it is option A, electrical energy. A solar cell converts light energy into electrical energy. So option A is the right answer. Then we'll go to the next question, question number 36. The seat belt must not only be fastened but also dash correctly across the wearer. The person who is going to wear the seat belt should also wear it correctly, and for that the word used is positioned. Okay, so here the option B, that is positioned, is the right answer. The seat belt must not only be fastened but also positioned correctly across the wearer, the person who is going to wear it. Okay, so here option B, positioned, is the right answer. Then we'll go to the next question, question number 37. The inflation mechanism is a chemical reaction that generates dash to inflate the airbag. So it is not generating oxygen, it is not generating hydrogen, it is inert gases, it is generating inert gases to inflate the airbag. So the airbag is inflation takes place, and then the uh, risk of having getting injured will be minimized. So here the option B is the right answer. The inflation mechanism is a chemical reaction that generate inert gases to inflate the airbag. Then we'll go to the next question, question number 38. Newer car versions, that is new car versions, incorporate instrument clusters with dash, which can perform advanced functions. If you want to perform advanced functions, you should have instrument clusters along with options are operators, manipulators, microprocessor, and none. It is obviously microprocessor. So option C will be the right answer. Instrument clusters with microprocessor can perform advanced functions. So here you can see option C is the right answer. Then we'll go to the next question, question number 39. The primary purpose of the suspension system is to dash the car body from the vertical motion of the wheels as they travel over rough road surface. Okay, so whenever you are going on a rough road surface, and that effect of rough road should not be felt much by the passenger, to minimize that effect we use a suspension system which will isolate or separate. Okay, it will isolate the car body from the vertical motion of the wheels as they travel on rough road surfaces, so that there is a minimum vibration for the passenger, or there is no vibration for the passenger or the person who is going to sit in the car. He will feel very comfortable because of the suspension system. So here option C, isolate, will be the right answer. So here you can see the primary purpose of the suspension system is to isolate the car body from the vertical motion of the wheels as they travel over rough road surfaces. Then we'll go to the next question, question number 40. Vehicle navigation systems receive signals from satellites and identify the vehicle's dash and direction by combining that data with information obtained from various sensors. So vehicle navigation system is going to identify vehicle's position. So it is not number or it is not body or it is none. It is vehicle's position. So option B will be the right answer here. Vehicle navigation system receives signals from satellites and identify the vehicle's position and direction by combining that data with the information obtained from various sensors. So here the option B will be the right answer. Thank you, students. These were the 20 questions on automotive electronics or electronics in automobiles. Thank you very much.